Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Analytics or GA4, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an admin or a team member into your Google Analytics property? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an admin or a team member into your Google Analytics property anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and maybe you want to give them access to your Google Analytics so they can optimize your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Analytics account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Analytics, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add an admin or a team member into your Google Analytics property, here on the top left, make sure you're working in the correct property. Once you've chosen the correct property, here on the left menu, you're going to click on this little gear icon at the bottom. It says admin. Okay, once you do that, you need to get to what's called account access management right here. If you don't see this button for some reason, you can click on this menu to the left, just open up account, and you should see account access management. Either way, it's going to take you to the same place. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the admins and access you've given to your Google Analytics property right here. However, to add another admin or team member on the top right, click on this blue dot. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on add users. Okay, so here is where you can go ahead and add an admin. You need to enter in their email address. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and choose the permissions. So if they're going to be an administrator, you can click right here, or you can choose some of these lesser permissions down here. And lastly, you can go ahead and restrict cost metrics and also revenue metrics if you wish to do so. And once you're done, go ahead and click on this blue add button here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we've added another admin to my Google Analytics right here, and it also shows their roles and data restrictions. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an admin or a team member into your Google Analytics or GA4, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.